Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens.
Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you once again to our today's episode of this program. And today, I beg, before you make any comments, first of all, listen to us, right? I believe say you see that video from Nnamdi Kanu for the last hearing when it be say they carry out against Nnamdi Kanu when it be say if for flame off for courts, right? After that very time, this man come outside to grant interview and reveal some certain secrets. We know, we Nigerians, we dey satellite a lot of things. We not dey take our time to verify anything when it be say anybody they tell us, right? For this very interview, you hear Nnamdi Kanu talk say, Justice Binta Nyako, when it be say na him be the chief judge, when he dey in charge of his own case, say if they use this his own case for your own personal gain, right? And for that very moment, he also make us understand, say, the husband of this woman and he also, they face corruption charges. How many of you, if I say make I ask now, take your time to verify this statement when we say Nnamdi Kanu claim or allege according to how una go put am? Abi, I believe say a lot of us, after that very moment till now, we don't sweep that word under the carpet. None of us verify. But na truth, Nnamdi Kanu dey talk, abi na lie. He just dey come outside to make mouths, just for people to pity him. Now, we have a loss for you. We go on our own to do our research, to find out whether Nnamdi Kanu dey lie, or whether na true say this very woman really they occupy this position of the case of Nnamdi Kanu because of say they put am in charge to favor am because of wetin he get for grant concerning his own husband and his own son, just as Nnamdi Kanu claim. Now, we want review to you wetin we find out. First of all, may we ask this question. Who be Justice Binta Nyako? E no dey hard. Just write this very question for Google. Now, waiting, it will review to you. Now, it be this very one. All right, now the lady, now it be this very one. I believe so now they see a picture. Then may we screw down, may you see the whole details of this very woman, according to Wikipedia. Now, this one at the age, 65 years. And they born this woman May 14th, 1959. And if you look to your own right side, you will see partner, right? The partner of this Justice Binta Nyako, that is his own husband, his name now, Murtala Nyako, right? Now, according to the profile, they talk say Justice Binta Nyako said the born her, as we talked before, May 14th, 1959. And this woman now judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria from Katsina State. And now she be the current president of the International Association of Women Judges. And also previously, this woman served as the president of the Nigeria's National Association of Women Judges. And she also served as the chief judge of Bauchi States from 2014 to 2017. When it be say it can make her become the first woman to hold this very position for the states and the first woman as well to lead a high court bench in Nigeria. This one are the profile of Justice Binta Nyako, which is the woman going to be say in charge of Nnamdi Kanu. Now, may we ask this same question now. who be the spouse of Justice Binta Nyako, which is who be the husband. I beg, dey patient with us as we take am slow and steady. Remember, say na the husband, na Nnamdi Kanu, allege say he get corruption case. Abi, now I beg, enter your Google, write this very word. Who be Murtala Nyako? Remember, for the profile of Justice Binta Nyako, the partner na this same name, Murtala Nyako. Now, may we go down. Murtala Nyako, according to the profile, the talk say Murtala Haman Yero Nyako, GCFON CFRO, say the born for 27th of August 1942 and na Nigeria politician and also a retired military officer. When he be say he served as governor of Adamawa State from 2007 to 2008 and from 2008 to 2014, which is two term on he served, which is 8 years. And previously, he served as military governor of Niger State from the creation of 1976 to 1977 as Nigeria's chief of the naval staff from 1990 to 1992. Now, the position when we say this man don't hold for this country, now it be this very one. May we still go on again. Now, for us to get the full details, then we have to enter this man's personal biography. We don't already read all these things before. We want to find out how they connected with Justice Binta Nyako. The talk say Murtala Haman Yero Nyako, the born on 27th of August 1942, and currently as we dey talk na 82 years old. And the contour say Bayo Bewa, British Cameroon, now in Adamawa State. We don't really understand whether na for Cameroon. I don't know the reason why that one they there. But you explain to us wetin that one they do for here as we move on again. Nationality, Nigerian. Political party, All Progressive Congress, which is APC. Other political affiliations, they can write People's Democratic Party. Then spouse, Binta Nyako. That word spouse means in own partner or wife. Na in Binta Nyako, right? Una see the connection now, which is husband and wife. We need to take and reach there so that you will understand how this man and this woman today connected, right? Maybe we go down now. So, waiting Nnamdi Kanu talk for that court hearing date when it be say it say the husband of this woman, Binta Nyako, say he dey face corruption charges in and his own son. They place this woman over his own case to make sure say he deal with him and win this case for the federal government of Nigeria as a contract in order for them to favor round with the case when it be say his husband gets. The question when it be say one ask now, which case Justice Binta Nyako husband get with the federal government of Nigeria? Now, see wetin we find out. According to Punch newspaper, it does say 29 billion naira fraud appeal court orders ex-governor Nyako to open defense. This one na news when it be say they publish on the 18th of January 2022. Then may we find out again from another news magazine to find out whether na only Punch newspaper reports this very case. This one na from another news magazine. We thought say alleged 29 billion naira fraud appeal court order ex-Adamawa State Governor Nyako to open his defense. Shey you dey see am again. And as we put our hand deep to know the details of this very news, it does say the Court of Appeal on Tuesday order a former governor of Adamawa State when he be say in name na Murtala Nyako to open his own defense before Justice Okon Agbam of the Federal High Court of Abuja. And the court say Agbam, when he be say on July 19, 2021, order Nyako to enter defense for his own ongoing trial. And the court say Murtala Nyako is not satisfied with the judgment of Justice Agbam, which dismiss his no case submission. Nyako file an appeal. And for us to conclude this matter, I can tell say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, when we say they call EFCC, charged Nyako and his own son, two companies, when we say that they call Selbol Farms and Extension Limited and Pagado Fortunes Limited, with money laundering. All right, I believe say you still remember waiting Nnamdi Kanu talk.
There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who is that person? Corruption charges. They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son. They are facing. It doesn't matter if they're off it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why therefore are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.
All right. It makes sense to you now, waiting Nnamdi Kanu talk. Because they understand, we Nigerians, we know they take our time to find out any issue. We they see this Nnamdi Kanu speech for this very broadcast, maybe say na out of anger, right? But whereas, beneath that very anger, there is truth, element of truth for waiting in talk. The question when they with the ask now true say, the husband of Justice Binta Nyako, which is Murtala Nyako, and his own son really get this money laundering case when it be say it sum up to about 29 billion naira. She it did very clear to each and every one of us. And another question, not true say the federal government of Nigeria set this woman as justice over Nnamdi Kanu and make her be a case that must be won by the federal government of Nigeria in order to clear pathway for the husband and the son of this woman? I been not true saying a contract they give this woman over the head of Nnamdi Kanu in order for the family of this woman to be free? You answer the question based on what you see for granted. We rest our case. All right. Share your opinion with us on the comment section and help us to share with every other people and every platform when it be say you know. Nigerians need to know the truth. All right. We would like to draw the conclusion of this matter here. We will see you again when we see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.